How to find or view your debit card number on the Chase app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about two such methods that you can apply. For method 1, you have to open your Chase app and sign into your account. Tap on the Statements and Documents option in the top right corner. Select on Statements to view your recent transaction. Tap on Most Recent Transaction to see its details. And in the Account Summary section, you can find your 16-digit debit card number listed next to the account number. So this is one way. Likewise for the method 2. For this, you have to ensure your debit card is linked to your Chase app. If not, you can download the Chase app from Play Store or App Store. Then you'll have to log in using your credentials. Then go to the card section in the app, tap on debit card, select account services and choose digital wallet to add your debit card. Now from the app, scroll down to account services and select stored card option. Tap on debit card to view its details, but keep in mind you will only be able to see the last 4 digits of your card. For the full 16-digit debit card number, you can use a web browser to log into the Chase website and select through the account details for card information. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.